Well, I know in the previous video I had talked about making some sort of a little cubby hole tunnel thing underneath the writing slope where pencils and pens could be stored. But the more I thought about it, the more I realized that nobody would ever really use that. So rather than go down that rabbit hole, I decided to just create a little solid piece at the top of the board to give the writing surface its slope. And I know I have a piece of a very wide dowel. I think it was a handle to an old gardening implement. Let me. I just don't know where I put it. This is where I keep all my hardwood. There it is. This will do the trick. I think it just needs to have a little bit more taken off the bottom, which I can do on my jointer. Okay, the design has come down to 3 pieces. This will be the top. You can see the epoxy putty. Then there's going to be this bottom piece here, which will catch the paper so that it can rest on it. It still needs to be rounded over on this side, and I'm going to round it over a little bit on each of these edges. But then on the bottom, I will be gluing this. Again, it's going to be rounded here and sanded a little nicer to get rid of some of the ancient history of this, whatever this was. Some kind of tool handle, but I'm not sure what. Anyway, good reuse. And this will be on the bottom to give the writing slope its slope. Like so. Okay. I still need to round off these edges. Got to erase the B. But we're almost up to the point where I'm going to finish this thing. I think I'm going to start with shellac and give that maybe 2 coats of shellac, sanding with 320 between. And then I'm going to use a varnish. I'm not sure what kind yet. I think I might use tung oil varnish on this. Danish oil just takes too long to dry, and I don't like the final result of that. But not bad. Okay, first coat of shellac. I'm using 320 extra fine to just get rid of all the nubs and the nibs and the whatevers. Always sand along the grain with the grain. Unless you like scratches. Super smooth, super smooth. And then you take some cheesecloth, and that picks up all of that fine shellac dust. Well, here it is, all done. Ready for you to write a letter to somebody. Remember those? Or if you're right-handed, you can do some calligraphy on this as well.